How to design Shopify store with image to layout AI with Gempages. So first of all, you need to head over to the App Store and then simply search for Gempages in your search bar and make sure to go with the Gempages landing page builder and click on the install button. If you are comfortable with the privacy settings, you just need to click on the install button and wait for the installation process to complete. Now once you have installed the Gempages builder, you just need to click on the create new page. Now after that, click on start from scratch and click on open in full screen to get a better view and click on open editor. Now once you are in the editor of Gempages, what you need to do first is simply click on the image to layout on your left hand side, and after that you need to paste an URL of the website, or you can say inspiration website that you are inspired from and you want your store to look like that. So in this case I am going for Adidas as they have a very good and engaging image layouts. I will simply copy their URL and simply paste it in this search bar and click on the generate button. Now this will gonna take some time, about 1.5 minutes. So for some reason Adidas website wasn't loading up on the gem pages, so I have chosen another one. Now you have option of all section on the top right, so you can deselect anyone that you don't want to include into your Shopify image layout section. So in this case I will simply go for the basic images section. So let me just choose it quickly. So let's just remove the customer and the footer as well. Alright, so I have only selected few layout images and click on generate button. So after you are in the editor section, you can now adjust the further customization, like you can change the name of that particular product or category. You can also adjust each and every text, which is the great thing about gem pages. You can also delete if you don't want anything to include in your store. Again, you can change the images by clicking on it and clicking on browse images. You can select from your own gallery, or you can click on this plus button and choose your particular image. So let's just go for this image as an example and click on the open button, and this will gonna change the image just like this. So that's the basic overview of how you can design Shopify store with image layout AI with gem pages.